Hello friends, in this problem there are two charges which are placed near the origin as shown. The value of charge q1 is equal to 3q placed at x equal to d by 2 while charge q2 is minus q placed at minus d by 2. Now we have to identify the correct statements from the given possible options. So let us start exploring all these options. The field very close to the origin is approximately 0. So for a point very close to the origin, we know that the value of field due to 3q will be more dominating and it will be repulsive, while the value of field due to minus q again is attractive, that is both the fields are pointing in the same direction. So this field very close to the origin is not equal to 0. So we can say that option A is incorrect. Further, in option B it is given that the value of field very close to q2 is approximately the field due to single charge minus q located at x equal to minus d by 2, which is correct since in the proximity of the charge we know that the value of field due to that particular charge will be highly dominating in nature. So if we are at a point which is very close to the charge minus q at a very small distance from charge minus q, we can say that the value of field due to charge minus q will be dominating. So option B is correct. Further, in option C it is given that for every 3 field lines originating from q1 there is one field line ending on q2 and 2 field lines going off to infinite distances, which is again correct because we know that the value of field lines drawn from a given charge is always proportional to the magnitude of charge. So again you can see the ratio of the two charges is in the ratio of 3:1. So for every 3 field lines drawn from plus 3q, only one field line will have to terminate at minus q, rest 2 will terminate at infinity. Now in option D, it is given that the field at a very large distance from origin is approximately the field due to single point charge 2q, which is again correct because if you observe this complete scenario from a very large distance, if you observe this assembly, if we observe this particular charge distribution from a very large distance, we can say that the net charge of the entire system comes out to be equal to 2q. So from very large distance, since configuration of the charge becomes insignificant, distribution of the charge becomes insignificant, so we can say that the field will be effectively due to charge plus 2q placed at origin. This is our final desired result. Thank you.